Hello guys, welcome back, konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. So guys, I want to give you here a fresh update on Tesla. The market will open here in 10 minutes, but we can already see here some volatility in the pre-market, plus 14%. Why is that, guys? Yeah, very predictable. I'm not surprised to see that. I think I already mentioned that something like this will happen here in my last video, guys. So I will give you here a brand new update based on the chart, based on the technicals, and this is of course not financial advice. Yeah, guys, I don't know. Maybe yesterday the earnings have been for Tesla. I never follow up earnings or watch them closely, and I'm, as I said, not surprised by the price action here. I can show you here my drawings, and you will see that everything what is happening here for Tesla is more or less predictable. I know trading is not easy when you don't understand how the algos work, but when you see what I draw here in the chart, guys, and I said we are trading here in this pattern, so this is absolute not a surprise, guys, that we had a retest here on this yellow trend line. So I will zoom out for all the new people here. Welcome, guys, to my channel. The main purpose is to educate you in trading. I usually do that here by talking about short squeeze stocks, and we have a lot of short squeeze actually here in the market. Not only I talk about these tickers, I really try to predict short squeezes here, guys. Yeah. So if you don't believe me that this was very predictable here, you can see my yellow trend line here is active since November 2021, guys, and we had already here two breakout attempts from Tesla, and this is just the third retest here. So you can see that we not only came back here to the trend channel pattern, and the bulls are still waiting here, guys. The bulls want a bullish reversal for Tesla, so it is very, very possible that we see here some much higher prices incoming for Tesla. And as you know from my previous videos, $231 is the make it or break it price level, but I will give you all the details here in this video, guys. I said that I try to predict short squeezes here on my channel. This is one of my purposes here. I love to trade short squeeze stocks, and especially here for my trading community, I also try to predict short squeezes. I upload here every Sunday the so-called hot stocks. When you see these videos here, the ticker which I present in these videos, they have high squeeze potential, and we had some massive squeezes in the past weeks, but this week also one ticker here squeezed after my video release, guys. I always publish those videos on Sunday. That was this day here, guys, and you can see just on Monday this ticker started to rip, and in total until now it is still squeezing, but until now we have here 854% squeeze in just 2 trading days, guys. Yeah, one other ticker squeezed as well on the same day, also this week. Also, video release was the same day. This is also one of my hot stocks from this week. So I released the video here and said this ticker has a high squeeze potential. I expect here a squeeze to happen very soon. And you can see this ticker ripped also 290% 2 days after my video release, guys. If you also want to see these tickers, I of course give you here a full chart analysis on Tesla. But if you also want to see these secret short squeeze stocks, which you usually don't find here on YouTube, you can join here our trading community. We have the full package membership on Patreon, which is my most popular membership. We're growing here every day, guys, and every day new people joining in. You can see here the benefits. Of course, you get access to my hot stocks here. And be careful, guys, because Patreon will increase the prices by November 1st. So if you join in before November 1st, you don't need to pay more than the actual price. But everybody who joined here after November 1st have to pay additional 30%. So take your advantage now, guys. When you click here on the info icon, you will find the link here to the Patreon membership. Everybody is welcome. It doesn't matter, guys, if you are beginners or advanced traders. If you want, you can join our trading community here. We're getting here bigger and stronger every day. So, guys, why is this so predictable here for Tesla? I said that already in my previous videos. I am bullish on Tesla, guys. I see here a bullish reversal. Yes, that looks a little bit, when you understand day trading or swing trading, then it looks a little bit here like a double top pattern. But the way how Tesla is recovering here at the bottom of the trend channel, and the way we have already here 2 absolute clear breakout attempts, looks for me that Tesla is ready to rip, guys. And then we could see here much higher prices in the future. The next price goal is here $232. So I will show you now the technicals, why I also expected in my previous video that Tesla comes down, because when we switch here in the 4 hours chart, this is here, by the way, guys, TradingView, what you see here, I use here TradingView for all my videos. Then you can see, guys, here was one open gap, And when you see something like that, guys, when you see open gaps in the chart, the chance that we close these gaps is about 90%. And that's why I say, guys, I have no idea what they're telling you, what the earnings are telling us here. No idea. The only purpose here for the algos was to close this gap. This is not a coincidence, guys. I will zoom in for you if you don't believe me. You can see a lot of different videos here. The only purpose here of this shakeout was to close this open gap here at $212.51 here. This orange box is an open gap. We closed this gap with this candle, and then, guys, immediately we're shooting up now here, and we will close the open up gap here, which I also show you guys. This is not a coincidence that you see this kind of price move. And as I said, $231 is the make it or break it price level for Tesla. What does that mean? When the price is trading below $231, this is usually bearish. When we're trading here above that, this is bullish. So what will happen right now? The market opens in 3 minutes, guys, so we can watch that here live. We have this open up gap here. Let me switch off the drawings that you can clearly see that here, guys. Very simple to see. We have this open up gap here at $231. So it's not only the purpose for the algos to close the open down gaps, they will also close the open up gaps. And this is what we will do exactly right now with this candle here. The problem is, guys, yeah, that we now have here one new open down gap. So the price is gapping up right now. I don't expect that we fall down here in 2 minutes back to $218. That means we will have here one open up gap, one open down gap for Tesla. This one I will delete. This is already closed in the 4 hours chart, but this is in the daily chart. So this up gap will be closed, but we have to come down at $218 sooner or later, guys. But it doesn't matter. This is not bearish, because we still, even we come back and close this gap, we have our breakout here out of this bearish descending trend channel, which was now active here for almost 3 years. Here you can see in November 2021 the sell-off started here for Tesla, and this is where we are right now. And I said that if you didn't see my previous videos, we of course are here in the long term. We are in a very strong uptrend for Tesla, and this is where we are right now. This trend channel here, this white trend channel, is the bullish trend channel, which is in favor for the bulls here in the long term. And this descending trend channel, guys, here was the accumulation here in favor for the bears. I said that we will have a showdown here, that somewhere here in this price range, somewhere between $130 and $181 will be here the accumulation zone, where we will see a reversal, guys. And we came down in this zone here, back down to $140 here, and this is what happened, guys. So I think the technical bottom is in, and even if we fall down one more time, then somewhere here at $133 should be a very strong support for Tesla. So if the market decides to turn bearish, I'm still not scared. I think we have a very high potential here to see a big pump for Tesla. And then, as I mentioned before, we will come back here to $289. I will switch off the indicators, switch on one more time, guys. $289, $320, and $402 are the price goals for Tesla. I will leave this arrow here in the chart because, as I mentioned, guys, I am absolute more bullish than bearish on Tesla, guys. Yeah, guys, that was my quick and dirty update. The market is open right now, so we can see we have our open gap. Keep that in mind. Don't FOMO in, yeah. This is not financial advice, but I will always wait here until we have some kind of fake outs, shakeouts, call it whatever you want. We have here one open gap at $218. That doesn't mean that we close this gap here in the next 1 or 2 trading days. That can take weeks, but sooner or later the price will come down. For now, it is in favor for the bulls, and a good buy-in zone was this price range here on the yellow trend line, guys. Yeah, I will of course keep you updated here on Tesla. If you like this content, guys, if you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. And if you want to copy my price goals here for Tesla, guys, this is, as I mentioned, everything based on TradingView. I use this program here for all my trades and for all my videos. So if you want to learn trading, if you want to understand how the algos are driving the price, yeah, then you can of course also get your own TradingView access. If you want, guys, I have a discount link available here in the video description. If you use this info icon here, you can also access my TradingView discount link. When you use my link, you save $15, and I always recommend the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders, guys, don't forget to check out my latest hot stock uploads here. We have a lot of squeezes in the market. Let's see if this ticker here can even rip over 850% or more. And if you want to see this content here, guys, as I said, click the info icon here in the corner. Thank you so much for your time, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If you want, then let's see us in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute, einen schönen Tag, viel Erfolg mit Tesla und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.